Women are recovering from serious injuries tonight following a house explosion near Moose Lake. It happened shortly before 9 o'clock last night just off Main Street in Silver Township. Tonight we are learning more details about the explosion and what you could do to possibly prevent your home from a similar situation. CBS 3's John Cardinelli has the story.
It's not every day a fire department deals with a home explosion, especially in rural Carlton County.
It was a longer fire for sure. The fact that the debris was spread out all over the place made it a little tougher.
The explosion reported around 9 p.m. on Tuesday. Word of a 52-year-old woman trapped inside the home's basement prompted multiple departments in the area to respond.
Took some time, a lot of manpower, and a lot of water.
When crews arrived, they found a 75-year-old woman injured and the 52-year-old woman that was once trapped in the basement miraculously out of the burning home.
She got out before anybody from the fire department got there. I think she was assisted by a friend or a relative.
Before being transported, the 52-year-old woman told authorities that the house exploded after she turned on her furnace. Kettle River's Fire Chief Kyle Reel has some advice to offer to those who may be fearful this could happen to them.
Definitely have your furnace serviced every year. Clean, serviced, make sure everything's good to go. CO monitors are always a good thing to have as well.
And always have a working smoke alarm and change the batteries once a year.
The names of the victims are not being released at this time. The cause of the explosion is still under investigation.